What's up everybody, back with another video. So it's been quite a while since I bought a whole case of Hot Wheels premium cars, basically because they aren't really cheap here in Europe. If you are familiar with Hot Wheels premium cars, then you know in a case there are two whole sets, so you get 10 models, and in the US I think you pay around $60 for such a case, but here in Europe you have to pay at least 100 euros for a whole case, and including shipping fees, you pay 105 or 110 euros, and that is a lot of money, and that means you really have to, like I said, if you buy a whole case. But I think this is a really cool set, and if you are a subscriber of this channel, what I definitely recommend, then you might know I'm a huge fan of rally livery and racing livery, and yeah, that is what we get. And yeah, I would say let's get into the unboxing, and let's start with this one right here. This is the Porsche 935. This is number 1 of 5. As you can see here, first of all, let's take a look at the card art. I think it's kind of cool. It's not the best card art ever in my opinion. So basically on every card you see the car that you get in the blister, and in the back, I hope you can see this, you see the next one, which is the Aston Martin, and back here this is the Audi, and that is what's going on all of these cards. So Porsche 935, this would be the chase if you are lucky. I didn't get one this time, unfortunately, but if you see this guy here in black and it says number 05, you got the chase version, and I think one of the most popular chase versions of Hot Wheels premium cars so far. Anyways, this is a really cool model. By the way, I already cut the packages open because I want to keep the card, and it's kind of annoying to cut these packages here on camera. So yeah, there we are, Porsche 935. Yeah, this is a really nice model. I think it's the first time that we see this particular casting in premium, coming in a kind of purple metallic livery, looking really good. KW suspensions, number 23, coming with these Porsche windshield banner. We also get the Porsche print here on the wing. We got some really nice white rims, and I think this is a really cool premium model, although I would have loved to get the chase, but it is how it is. I think this one here does look really cool on display. I think it's kind of hard to see. It's also got the roll cage inside. Yeah, very nice model. So let's park the Porsche in the parking lot. As we go on with the Aston Martin Vantage GTE. This is a number 2 of the race day set. Basically coming in a lime green livery. And yeah, I have to say, I think on camera it looks more green. Here in reality I think it's more yellow, but anyways, it isn't my favorite model of the set anyways. I think the car doesn't really look good, but it's a pretty nice model. As you can see, we get details on the back. We also get prints here on the side of the wing, which is really nice. On the door, it's coming with some pretty nice 10-spoke, black 10-spoke wheels, which is kind of nice, number 95. This is the front. Yeah, Nice model, but yeah, it's not my favorite. So let's go on with this one here, number 3 of 5. This is the Audi R8 LMS in kind of an interesting deco. It's a little bit yeah, say like a camouflage livery, but it's pretty nice. I think it's all in all, it's in reality it's a nice car, and it's also a nice Hot Wheels model. I think there are already several versions, premium versions of this guy, but this is really nice. As you can see, it's saying Audi Sport here on the side. It's number 5. Also, the front does look really good, saying R8 LMS. This is the back. We get the Audi rings and the taillights. Oops. There we go. Little accident. Yeah, it's a pretty nice model. Let's get this guy into the parking lot. The next one is this one here, Ford Capri Group 5, and this I think is the only really new casting in this set, but it does look really, really cool. Let's take a look at this one. It's a really cool livery. We get 2 shades of blue. The basic color is white. So yeah, let's take a look. I mean, we get prints on the wing and also on the side of the wing, and also on the back, which is really nice. You can see the roll cage. Let's take a look at the side. Yeah, this looks really cool, although, you know, I'm not a huge fan when they do these mismatched wheels, so we get huge wheels in the back and these small ones in the front. Sometimes it's a little bit, you know, extreme, and I don't really like it, but I mean, basically, I think the wheels match the car really good. We get this chrome ring looking good. I mean, I would have preferred if they would have the same size, but yeah, it's all in all, it's a really, really nice model. Into the parking lot, and the last one is this guy here. It's got a really long name. This is the 94 AMG Mercedes C-Class DTM touring car. Now in yellow Agip deco. And yeah, this one is really, really cool in my opinion. Normally, I'm not a huge fan of the color yellow, especially on these die-cast models, but I think this version is really cool. This is the side. I mean, look at the livery and look at the wheels. I think they fit perfectly, and also the front looking really, really good. Look at the details here. This is the back. Instead of a license plate, we get the Agip lettering and logo. Exhaust details. So yeah, a really, really cool model, and all in all, a really, really nice Hot Wheels set. So let's put the rotator to the side. Let's bring our models a little bit closer to the camera. And yeah, as always, I'm trying to pick a favorite at the end of the video. And this time it's kind of hard to decide. The Porsche is really cool. But I think my favorite is the Mercedes. I think it's just fantastic. I love the livery on this one here. By the way, this guy here was the first version of this model, which is also pretty nice. But yeah, I'm pretty happy to have this version now, which is looking very, very nice. So yeah, that's it for today's video. If you did like it, give me a thumbs up, subscribe the channel, say thank you for watching, happy hunting, and see you next time. Bye.